Hi everyone, and welcome to Little Monster Eats. My name is Sandy, and I am here with my little monster Brandon. Say hi.
Hi.
So today's little monster meal will be mini hot dogs.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum yum, right? All right, so let's get started. So hot dogs. We typically don't eat them, and it's not Brandon's favorite. Brandon, what's your favorite?
Mac and cheese.
Oh, mac and cheese. So we're gonna see if he's gonna like these mini hot dogs. We have these mini hot dogs right here. You can find them in the deli section of your grocery store. If you can't find them, then you can just use a regular hot dog and then you can just cut them into smaller sizes. I also have this Pillsbury crescent roll that we're going to use. Today I found this sweet Hawaiian flavor and thought it sounded good, so we'll see. If anyone has tried this flavor before, comment down below and let me know what you think of it. But we're going to go ahead and try it and see how it goes. All right, so inside the roll are these pre-cut triangles. They're larger triangles, but since we're making mini hot dogs, then I'm going to go ahead and cut them into 3. So I'm going to use a pizza cutter for that. Cut them into 3 strips like this. All right, Brandon, you want to go ahead and get one? All right, Brandon's going to help me here. We're going to go ahead and put it right in the middle and then roll it up. Good job. Want to do that one too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Brandon's a really good helper, and I think sometimes when you let the kids help you and help them make their own lunch, they end up liking it and eating it more. Good job. Okay, let's put it on the side. Okay, so again, they come in these large triangles. So again, we're just going to cut this one into 3. As even as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect.
And we go to the middle one.
Okay. Okay, and the last one. All right, good job. So once we have them, we're going to go ahead and put them on a baking sheet. And then you can bake them in your toaster or in your oven for 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then once you're done, they will look like this. So they're super cute, little mini ones, and perfect for little hands. Okay, so we're going to get your little tray out. Today we're going with a Bento Kids lunchbox. This is the tray. Again, it's removable, so it's super easy to clean as well. So he put his little mini hot dogs in there. I also made for him some sweet potato fries.
Where are we going to put them?
We're going to put them right here. But these are sweet potatoes. These are the white sweet potatoes. I find them to be a little sweeter than the orange ones that you typically find, but you can go ahead and use either one. And then these orange strips are actually carrots. So I roasted both of them up for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees after I tossed them in some olive oil. And it seems, something that he would like. And it's a healthier alternative to frying them as well. And so he gets his veggie serving in without even realizing the vegetables. So that's a lot, but you want to put all that in there? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's kind of a lot, but it's okay. We'll go ahead and leave that all in there. Next, right here in the center, I have in this compartment ketchup, so he can dip the fries and the hot dogs in. And then we also have for his fruit, he loves oranges.
Who is he?
No, this one, the big one. Yep. So this is a little cutie that I peeled again. And that's ready to go, so he can put it in his mouth. And then I also have extra blueberries too. Good job. So let's go ahead and put this so we can close it. And then for his treat, these are chocolate chip Teddy Grahams. And today he went with these picks. So let's see, where are you going to put them today, Brandon? In the hot dog?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where else?
Only in the hot dog.
Only in the hot dogs, okay. Just put it right in the middle.
No,
Just stick it right in the top.
I did it on this one.
Okay. Here, go ahead. Okay, got it. And then this one.
This one,
Okay.
the last
Okay,
one.
the last one.
Why, that up.
In the ketchup. Okay, interesting. Okay. All right. And so an extra thing I wanted to add, just in case he had some time and he was still a little hungry, is a mozzarella stick. Who's this?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Iron Man. He loves the Avengers, so we're going to go with that one. And then this is a pouch. This is a reusable pouch that I always use, but again, it's a brand name called Squishy. Inside today, I have applesauce. So that is there for him to have as well. And then his thermos that I have milk in. So what are you doing? Are you doing airplanes? Okay. All right. So again, so we have his thermos with milk in it. And then we also have this applesauce pouch. We have a cheese stick, mini hot dogs or pigs in a blanket. We have some sweet potato and carrot fries, ketchup to dip them in, oranges, blueberries, and chocolate chip Teddy Grahams. All right, let's put it in. All right, go for it.
Okay.
Let's move it into the center.
Alright.
Okay, got it? Did you snap it in? All right, there you go. Now you snapped it in. Close it up.
Another one. Another nap. No, 2 more.
2 more snaps.
Oh. All down.
All down. Okay, you got it? There you go. Good job. All right, so all done. Ready to go for school tomorrow. Are you excited about trying it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You think it's going to be yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Little Monster Eats. Thanks for watching, guys. Want to say thank you?
Bye. Thank you. Bye.